What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. We're here for a quick one today, and this will probably be my last video when you see the whole background and all. I will be on vacation. I think I did say that in the last video, but I'm throwing this one out there because I'm taking an old laptop. I'm not sure what kind of service I'm going to have while on vacation, but I want to keep you guys up to date with what's going on, and I wanted to get this video out because there's an important date coming up, and we need to go over that in this video. So, real quick on this, if you want to get this, here we go. This was just published on the 8th, so a couple days ago. 50 plus companies to present at the Access to Giving Virtual Investor Conference on July 13th through the 15th. That's right. Here in Raleigh, North Carolina, an investor conference themed around investor education and advocacy begins next week. So, here we go. Down here, it goes over July 13th, who's all going to be there, the 14th and 15th. And if we go down here and look at the organization, companies that are registered, this is what we wanted to see, and there is one down here that we're going to be happy to see, guys. And right here it is. I don't know if it'll let me highlight it, but yes, it will. It's going to make me do everything else. But there we go. Metamaterial Inc. And it has the old ticker symbol there. It's kind of weird, but it has the MMATF from like the OTC, but it is there, and they will be speaking on this here. Let's see, give us any other information. And that's pretty much it. They're going to be there talking about stuff. It says Access about giving. Access is the first kind of virtual investor conference and will be held July 13th to the 15th. Companies have the opportunity to tell their story and conduct 1v1s with qualified investors for charity. Hundreds of money raised for donations on the 1v1 meetings will be given to the cause that are focused on the financial literacy and financial education. Now, I must say, give money to charity. How about give a little back to us investors, man? George, like, I love you, George. I know we're going long term with this, but I must say, short term, like me and my subscribers, we're all getting hosed out there, man. We're getting hosed. We're down like 70% on our investment since the pre-split reverse merger, man. We're hurting. So, could you give us a little press release at this event to help boost our morale up, help boost our portfolios up, and just boost our spirits up, for crying out loud? We'd like to see a good green day, not all these red days where we're down 10, 15%. But we do appreciate the opportunity to buy the dip, because that's right. There's a lot of rumors out there going on. What could be going on with Meta? We're going to be covering that in future videos. We got to get all the information together. So, guys, there is a metamaterial event, in a sense, that will be held here from the 13th to the 15th. I'm sure we will get that covered here on the channel. I'm going to do my best to do that. Guys, I want to say, if you did not go see the interview I did, well, not interview I did, but I covered an interview with George, the CEO of Metamaterials, and Ken Rice, the CFO of Metamaterials. I have the premium version of Spotify. So I did that, covered that interview, as you see me there with the interview. It was from the Wall Street Resource. We did reactions to it. We paused throughout it, did comments. The video is 37 minutes long. The actual interview is about 30 minutes long. So about 5 to 7 minutes of me pausing, giving out thoughts, and kind of going over what they were doing. So that is pretty much it on that. Now, I do want to say, guys, probably by the time you see this video, we're going to be at 23,000 subscribers. And I wanted to say thank you so much. Right now, we're at 22.9. We're almost at 23. But like I said, probably by the time this is published, it'll be at 23,000. So I want to go ahead and say it before it's official. Thank you for 23,000 subscribers. Guys, go consider checking out the Patreon link. If you go here to one of my recent videos, it is right down here in the description.
With Fundrise.
And if you just go down here to the descriptions, here's my Teespring store. If you like the shirt, go check out the shirt. We got mugs down here as well. You can see it all. People was asking about that. Just at the bottom of all my videos, you can click on the store and go check it out. Right here, guys, you got Webull. Download that. Deposit $100, get some free stocks. Got Robinhood here as well if you don't have Robinhood. But here is the Patreon group. We're really trying to grow this Patreon group up. You click on that link, boom, it'll take you to this page, and you can become a Patreon. What is the Patreon going to be offering? Well, the Patreon, guys, is going to be offering a lot of great things when I get back from vacation. As you know, I got the premium version of Spotify. So if that Wall Street resource company does more interviews with Meta and other companies, I can bring those interviews to the Patreon group before they hit YouTube. Also, you guys know I get on the Fintel website to give you the official companies and what they're doing of the short volume ratio, the buyers, the sellers, the institutionals, the insiders, things like that. So when I get back from vacation, guys, that's right, I'm going to be purchasing the premium version. Now, if there's certain stocks that you like and you want to know what's going on with institutional buyers, institutional sellers, what is the short volume ratio and all that, be in the Patreon group. You can comment, you can message me in there, say, Terry, I'd really like to get some information on this stock. Can you just do a brief little video? I could put it in the Patreon group for you to watch. That way you have that information, and I would do that for you, absolutely. So if you join the Patreon, I will do my best as we grow it to give you Fintel information on the stock that may not be featured on the channel, but you just want to know it for your own personal information. So that is all I got, guys. I just wanted to come in here and give that update. If you stayed here for me rambling, you guys are the best. But if you guys stayed for that interview that we did, that was really crazy. Like I said, I'm recording a couple videos because by the time you're actually watching this, I'm going to be down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That's right, we're going to Myrtle Beach. We're going to be down there this Saturday. So like I said, I'm taking my old laptop with me. I will have my phone. So I will do my best. Unfortunately, you won't see the background or anything like that. It'll just be audio with, the screen recording, and that'll be it. So you'll hear the voice. You just won't see the pretty face, but you guys will be okay. You know to be me. You'll hear the voice because we say, baby, buy that dip. So guys, I just want to say thank you again for 23,000 subscribers. Thank you for all your support. That video with 37 minutes long as we're doing this recording has 103 likes and only 1 dislike. That is just truly, truly amazing. So I'm super excited. I think long-term, guys, like I said, Meta is going to be phenomenal. There is that potential short squeeze like Overstock. It takes about 3 to 6 months if it's going to happen. That T1 and T2, potential and all the short squeeze. A lot of technicals in there, but we'll see what happens in the next few months. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you're excited about this possible interview that's coming up on, I think, the 15th for Meta. So guys, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Let's get the 25,000 subscribers next. Then we will set the next goal. And guys, I will catch you on the next video. Peace.